evergreen to meet up with my girl. We're gonna go to an event that they have going on here in downtown, and it's a big, really big bike ride. Always seeing it on Instagram and Facebook, but I just never really had the chance to go out there till today. I have a late appointment at work, so I'm able to go out here and enjoy the night, ride some bikes. But today they have this really big meet, and I told her about it, and she's like, yeah, I'm down. I'm gonna tell my brother, my sister, and Nara and Miguel if they want to go. So I'm like, hell yeah. And I told my boy Jonathan also, so he's on his way, but he's got his own bike, so he's just gonna meet us up there. I don't know where we're riding to or what, but let's see how it goes.
What up, man? What up, man?
Welcome back to the vlog. What we doing today?
Today we gonna ride some bikes through H-Town. You know what I'm saying? Huh? Follow my boy Gama at the single cab, not the single cab, the single cab, nigga. Okay. Follow my boy's Instagram, YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? Bag that shit, homie.
You ready, Nara?
I'm ready.
Let's go. You ready? No? Oh, you gonna be ready. We're gonna go look for 3 more bikes and wait for 2 more people to get here. And then we're gonna go, I guess, to wherever they start bike riding and shit like that. So let's see how it goes, guys. Let's roll. Let's see if I don't bust my ass. Come on, Miguel, got you in the basket, bro. You fit? Look, try it.
Hell no, nigga. Me lo como todo entero.
Mira, están esas dos, Miguel.
Hell yeah, free bike, bro.
Free bike, bro. You don't even gotta pay or nothing.
I don't got my boat cutters.
Go, go, go. You got it, you got it. You got it, you got it. Fucking pussy. Go, go. Ah, come on. It's not your bike anyways.
I mean, el bus.
Oh, watch out, cuz we're gonna crash. Yo. Hey. Bato, meet you up there. Nigga.
What's up? El Race. I got the tents, your boy.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
You know how we do, baby.
You know how we do. We out here in the streets. We out here bike riding because, you know, a nigga fat out here. You know, we got to lose some weight. So we out here bike riding with the homies. If y'all in Houston, check it out, man. Bike riding, that's some shit.
It's a pretty big event they do. It used to be once a month, but now they do it like twice a week. So it's just gonna get bigger and bigger. But for today, we're on these rentals. Damn, I like your bike. You ready?
I'm ready. Well, I'm already tired.
This thing hasn't even started. I'm already tired. The 2-seater? Oh, the 2-seater one, yeah. The whole like 1500s. Yeah. Man, that you know, look at that, the wheel on that thing, the flex, that ass. Yeah. Oh. I'm over here about to hit a tree and shit.
Yeah, get that one too.
This is gonna be the last one. The last time we're coming on some rental. Estamos persiguiendo al dueño. ¡Ey, primo! Te vas a romper los dientes. No mames, este güey. Sorry. Oh yeah, baby. Hey, Jonathan. They have another one tomorrow, eh. Tenemos con las grams. Boom, boom, boom.
It's like 50 minutes from the house.
Yeah, it's not bad. Dale. Go.
I can barely ride it.
Una carrera.
All ready? Set, go. Hey, ready means stop. No? Ah, pues. Nos valió verga. Hey.
That's a bad motherfucker.
I can't breathe. I need a break, but look at all these people. Damn. I'm exhausted. Man, we've probably been riding for like what? Miguel, how long we've been riding for? Like an hour? Right? I need me a cold one, and I'm not talking about a water. So if you are in the Houston area and never came out here, ride bikes. I think it's Thursdays and Fridays of every week now. They used to do it once a month, but now they do it pretty much like every week. So I need to get y'all a bike. Whew. I need to get y'all a bike, or y'all can come out here downtown and y'all can rent one out for like $4 for 30 minutes. So it's up to y'all, but it's hella fun. I'm fucking tired. We were like in the beginning of the group, and now we're like at the very end of the fucking line.
Estos pedalean, no sé cómo, pero man, we're the last of the line.
Yeah, we're the last one. Come on, baby. Work them legs. Work them legs. Work them legs.
Baby una top boy.
Voy a andar así ahí. Ahora pendejo. Yeah, do Willie. Hell yeah. Hola, güey.
¿Cómo andamos?
Yeah. Yeah.
¿Y eso qué viniste?
Huh?
¿Y eso qué
Recording for Gamma.
Huh?
Recording for Gamma's vlog.
Oh, where you at?
Come back there, man. They were all the way in the bag.
Let me know. Should we ride?
What's up? So how's the bike riding?
Aquí andamos. Fucking enjoying this bike life, baby.
Who?
¿Qué onda? ¿Qué onda, güey? No, que no tienes tiempo, güey.
Man, he be BSing. I told him let's go. He's like, nah, que ando muy cansado.
Hola, pinche gama.
What's up?
What's up, Chino?
What kind of bike is that, ese? Why did it say Baylor Medical Center? What the?
It's a heart. It's a heart. It's a heart. It's a heart, way. Hey, I'm still out here right now. Hey, Gino, we're almost at tacos, wait.
Nigga, I can't breathe. I'm breathing like a pit bull right now.
Hey,
Alright, give me about 3 more months, I'm gonna look good.
Gino, what's the name of that bike?
Huh?
What's the name of the bike?
It's called Big Cachondo.
There you go. We got all A's down in this bitch.
We got everybody out here, but where all the fucking Asians at? Where all my Asian people at?
No, yo siempre ando preparado.
Tipo chota. ¿Te falta el sistemónico?
Guacha, good.
Okay.
Mira. Guacha.
Lo que le va a poner el pinche towers a este güey, le va a poner rock.
Hey, Chino, look. That's what you need right there, cuz, the green lights.
I need the green lights, I need the kickstand.
Oh, yeah.
What the fuck? What you need a kickstand for?
I need an oxygen tank.
That's for the school, way.
Chino.
Wait till I come back from Colombia.
You're gonna get your
Oh, body weight goes.
oh, Chino Cachondo. How you liking that bike, Chino? How you liking the bike?
I love it, bro. That's the closest I've ever been to a helicopter besides Call of Duty and Grand Theft Auto.
Do you have Miguel's number?
I think I do. Check out how crazy this thing is. Look, we're at a parking lot in Fiesta, somewhere, I don't know where. But look at all these bikes. We took a little pit stop and we got a little bit of a Red Bull, you know. Esta es la nueva lata del Red Bull. What flavor Red Bull did you get?
I got el verde.
El verde ese es nuevo.
El que te
¿qué?
mueve. No, ¿cómo era?
¿Qué te mueve?
Lo verde. El verde es vida.
No, hombre. Ese es el nuevo Red Bull.
Ese es el puro power. ¿Ya me la acabé?
¿Ya? No mames. Pinche dequeadora. Ahora, un puchón. Un push start. Se me chingó la batería. We've been riding for like hours. I don't know, like 2 hours. Started at 7:30. It's already about to be 11. ¿Pista de volado o qué?
Yeah, dale.
Fuck it, we're gonna get round 2. We decided to stop to get some chicharrones and some beer, and they left us. We're the only ones fucking riding around now. We don't even know where to go.
I got your location.
See?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think so.
Yeah. I have it till the end of the day. ¿Cuánto falta? 10 minutos?
Oh, bro, we're like 2 minutes away. Come on.
2?
Yeah.
All right, look, they're right there. They stopped. Woo! I'm done. I'm tired. I need to drink me my beer. Man, me and Jonathan are so lost. Look, we're over here crossing freeways and stuff. God, we still cannot catch up to these guys. I still got that tall boy though. I'm fucking tired. Oh man, I'm done. And I still gotta go to work. Oh man. Well guys, that was it for today. It was a badass day bike riding. I never thought it would have been this much fun, but it really is. Now we're gonna come back tomorrow. I don't know if I'll film tomorrow, but my girl wants to get a bike now, so but I want to give me a badass bike, so I'm gonna have to wait. But tomorrow I'll probably come with Jonathan, but we'll bring our Grum though. But that was it today. For today guys, I just left the bike on the little slot because it's a rental bike. He brought his bike from home, so he's taking his bike home, but he's gonna take me to where the car's at, so I'm gonna just follow him and put his bike on the truck and get my car and head home, get ready, take a shower and get to bed because I gotta work. I gotta get up at 5. All right guys, well that's it for this video. So hope y'all enjoyed the video and catch me on the next one. Deuce.